we start, I need to tell you about something. Listen to this sound, okay? That sound is there to tell you when to turn the page in your book. So, start on the first page, and anytime you hear this sound, just turn the page. You're going to start the book on the page that has the picture of me waking up in my nest. Ready? Here we go. Here's the first poem, and it's called, oh, look at this. It's called, I Think That It Is Wonderful. I think that it is wonderful to wake up with the sun when it has just begun to shine. Hello, bright morning sun. I think that it is wonderful to hear the waking street as all those busy feet go by. Hello, Sesame Street. I think that it is wonderful to stretch from head to heels. When I get up, it feels just right. Hello, knees, toes, and heels. I think that it is wonderful to scrub each part of me to make sure I will be all clean. Hello, clean, spiffy me. Did you ever hear a big word that sounded funny? Like razzmatazz or hunky-dory? Well, this poem is about another funny word, and it goes like this. The strangest word. A friend of mine once used a word, the sound of which is so absurd, I was amazed at what I'd heard, and stood there quite astounded. I finally gasped, is that word real? My friend said, yes, and what you feel is just the thing to help reveal this strange, absurd word's meaning.